Looking to add a little luxury and charm to your kitchen? You're about to see 50 gorgeous mini bar decor ideas to inspire your dream setup. Let's dive into 50 stunning mini bar ideas, whether you're tight on space or going all in on style. 1. Go sleek with black cabinetry and gold accents. A modern statement in any kitchen. 2. Add LED strip lighting under your shelves for that upscale glow. 3. Use high gloss finishes for a clean and luxe look. 4. Floating glass racks save space and look stylish. 5. Use clear acrylic bar stools for a futuristic vibe. 6. Reclaimed wood adds instant character to any bar. 7. Brick or faux brick backsplash brings a cozy, rustic vibe. 8. Use vintage crates to store bottles, stylish and functional. 9. Add a chalkboard wall for a rotating drink menu. 10. Mason jar lights? Yes, please. 11. No room? Try a wall-mounted fold-down bar. 12. Corner bar carts are perfect for tight kitchens. 13. Use vertical space with tall, narrow shelving. 14. A floating cabinet with a wine rack underneath equals space saver. 15. Mirrored backsplashes visually double the space. 16. Light blue and white tones give a beachy feel. 17. Add rattan stools for that perfect coastal touch. 18. Hang macrame or woven wall art behind your bar. 19. Display cocktail ingredients in glass jars for a natural look. 20. Finish with potted plants for that breezy, laid-back vibe. 21. Vintage bar carts with wheels add instant glam. 22. Try Art Deco wallpaper behind your bar nook. 23. Go bold with dark navy and brass. 24. Use crystal decanters to elevate your display. 25. Add a mini chandelier if you're feeling extra. 26. Incorporate your mini bar into a kitchen island. 27. Install a built-in wine fridge below your counter. 28. Use pocket doors to hide your bar when not in use. 29. Create a coffee-to-cocktail station, double duty. 30. Use custom cabinetry to keep it sleek and seamless. 31. Go bold with emerald green cabinets and brass handles. 32. Use Moroccan tiles as your backsplash for color pop. 33. Contrast dark cabinets with a white marble counter. 34. Paint the inside of your shelves a bold accent color. 35. Neon signs? Always a vibe. 36. Keep it simple with white oak shelves. 37. Stick to neutral colors, white, beige, and soft gray. 38. Add a pop of matte black for modern edge. 39. Keep glassware uniform for a clean look. 40. A minimal coffee and wine bar combo equals perfection. 41. Mix black metal and wood for industrial style. 42. Use exposed pipe shelving for a raw look. 43. Concrete countertops add edge and durability. 44. Edison bulbs? Total mood setters. 45. Add a distressed metal sign to finish the look. 46. Display cocktail books for color and function. 47. Hang framed travel photos or bar-themed art. 48. Use a personalized sign or monogram. 49. Incorporate DIY bottle lighting or custom coasters. 50. Most importantly, make it you. Your mini bar should reflect your taste and lifestyle. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more stylish home inspiration.